In this video, we'll talk about a very important bidding strategy which comes under automated bid strategy, that is your target ROAS. Okay, so let me explain you what exactly you mean by target ROAS. As I told you previously, target means average, ROAS means return on ad spend. Okay, so the amount what you're spending on the ad, how much you're getting in return, that's like ROAS. It's a metric to calculate ROAS. In the same way, you have ROI, return on investment. Okay, so either you can go for ROAS or ROI. Okay, then now I'll talk about this ROAS in detail. So I can give over here the percentage, like how much return I want, the money what I'm spending on my ads. For example, let's say I'm spending 100 rupees and I need 1000 rupees back. Getting it? So that is like how much? 100 times more. Getting it? So I can write over here, okay, give me 100 times more. So 1000 times more, 1000%, which means that they'll try to get me 1000 rupees of let's say revenue. Getting it? So this is a revenue related strategy where you can ask them to get you the revenue back, or the number of money what you're spending on your ad, and on that you can ask them a percentage, like how much money you want as ad revenue. So this is not compulsory, they'll give you like whatever number you put up. This is like an automated bid strategy, so they'll try to get you the good number of, let's say, revenue. Okay, so you have to give you, let's say, I would say not a glossy numbers. You have to give actual good numbers which can be possible. Okay, again, this is a smart bidding strategy. Okay, now you have to be thinking like, how a person, like, if I put 10,000%, so obviously they can't give me, right? So this is a smart bidding strategy based on your previous conversions, previous conversion value. They will decide, like, for which, let's say, audience they should increase the bid, for which audience they should decrease the bid, and try to get us a revenue. So again, this is a smart bidding, works on your basic data of your previous campaigns. I hope you have understood the target ROS, and please note down this point that this strategy is related to your revenue purpose. Okay, so I hope this is clear.